We're taking a deeper look tonight into the new developments in the Ryan Larson case.
Well, as we reported here Tuesday, his mother is petitioning to have her son declared dead so that she can pursue legal action over his disappearance. Larson walked away from La Vista West Elementary School in May 2021. He has not been seen since. The letter of Nebraska state law is clear. A person who is absent for a continuous period of 5 years is presumed to be dead. But there is an important annotation. A death can be declared circumstantial evidence before the expiration of the 5-year period. And that may be the key to allowing Tammy Larson to take on the Papillion-La Vista School District in legal action. KETV News Watch 7's Abby Peterson investigates.
Is he alive? Is he not? We don't know.
La Vista Police Chief Bob Loston has been looking for Ryan Larson for a year and 8 months now. He says his mother's move to declare the boy dead does not change the mission to understand his fate.
If somebody, in their viewpoint, to get closure or whatever goes that route, then that's on them. But we know what our mission is and we know what we're trying to do.
In fact, Loston says his department received a tip just this week. There is no evidence to suggest Ryan is alive or dead. In her petition, Tammy Larson seeks to declare Ryan deceased so that she can pursue a claim of negligence against the Papillion-La Vista School District. Part of her argument that La Vista police have given up the search, citing a conversation with a detective who told her they're no longer engaged in an active investigation, and the case now rests with Omaha police. Chief Loston says that's not true.
It's not a cold case. It's not with Omaha Police Department's cold case squad, but they're a partner helping us in this investigation.